In this video, I will show you how to send money using Cash App. Now, Cash App makes it quick and easy to send payments to friends, family, or anyone with a Cash App account. But before you begin, make sure you have downloaded Cash App on your device. Create an account and link a bank account or debit card. If needed, you can also add money to your Cash App balance before sending a payment. Now, once you're ready, open Cash App and you will be taken to the home screen. Now you can use the number pad to enter the amount you would like to send and tap the Pay button. Next, enter the recipient's cash tag, phone number, or email address. Now, if you don't know their cash tag, simply ask them to share it with you. Usually, cash tags begin with a $ followed by a unique username. You can also include an optional note to describe the payment, such as payment or thanks. This can make it easier for both you and the recipient to identify the transaction later. When everything looks correct, tap Pay again to complete the transaction. Now, if you have enabled security features like Face ID or a PIN, Cash App will also ask you to verify your identity before sending the payment. Once confirmed, the money will be sent to the recipient. If they already have a Cash App account, the funds will appear in their balance right away. But if they don't have an account yet, they will receive instructions to sign up and claim the payment. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, can you like and subscribe to the channel? You may also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.